Hi student, today I will start chapter number 2, MS Excel more formulas and function. Now I will see cell and range cell. Cell reference in Microsoft Excel is a very important point. See, there are three types of cell reference: relative cell reference, absolute cell reference, and mixed cell reference. These are the three cell reference available in our chapter number 2, MS Excel more formulas and function. Student, see the page number 15, that cell and range reference one point is there. I will explain one by one. Now we'll see the first, relative cell reference. Students, see the value 1 200, value 2 300, that is the two value added in B18 and B19. Now I will do the sum or total. That time I will use the formula is equal to B18 plus B19, that both cell address I will select and then afterwards I will press the enter button. Student, automatically answer will come there 500, 200 in cell B18 and 300 in B19. Now see here, answer came 500. Student, before that I told B18 and B19, that is the cell reference is there. B18 200 value is there and B19 300 value is there. Means automatically answer will come there 500. That formula and this 500 I will copy and see here in cell E21 and E22, again 200 and 300 is there. I will copy the formula from B20 and I will paste in E23. Here also what came? Same answer came, but cell reference properly. E21 200 and E22 300. Means what happened in the cell reference? In the cell reference, the value of cell accept as it is, means automatically changing the reference of cell. Same condition I will paste in the H20, and then also automatic cell reference accepting there. H18 200 plus H19 300, and answer will come here 500. Means when I will copy the formula, that time automatically changing the cell reference, that is called relative cell reference. Understood? Student, see properly, that is the information about relative cell reference. Now I will see the next point, related cell reference in MS Excel by computer learning. Now I will see the point, absolute cell reference. In the absolute cell reference, 200 value in B32 and 300 value in 33. Here also I will use the same formula, B32 plus B33. I will press the enter button, same answer 500 will come there. I will copy the formula. Before that I will add $1 symbol. Student, see page number 16. Page number 18, absolute reference information is there, and there are three formulas for creating the formulas in the absolute reference. $A, $1, $1 and $A1. Means when we'll add the dollar, that time the value of that cell automatically will come fixed. It will not change. It will not change. Means when we'll add the dollar symbol before the cell reference, then automatically not changing that. Means fixed. See properly, I will copy this 500 and I will paste any place. Only 500 answer will come there. And see the reference of cell, that same only, B32 and B33. Means before that what I used, only dollar. Means when we'll use a dollar, means absolute cell reference is there. It will not change any place of cell reference. That is the information about absolute cell reference. Means in the first relative reference, automatically changing the cell reference, and when I will use the dollar, then value will come as a fixer. Now students, I will see the third point, mixed cell reference. In the value 1 200, value 2 300. See properly here, cell address B43 plus B44. Answer will come here 500. Same answer. I took the same example in the 3, but see, in the relative reference I not used a dollar, in the absolute reference I used a dollar, and in the mixed reference, means absolute reference and the relative reference, both combination is there. That's the reason it is called a mixed cell reference. Only one place I will use the dollar. You see, dollar B43. Before of B43 I will use the dollar, and after B I will use the dollar. Means here both the condition will apply when I will select fixed value also, and automatically cell reference also changing here. That's reason this information is called a mixed cell reference. See properly, when I will paste this 500 to any other place, then value C, $5 B44 replaced with a B45, and D same as it is there. Before that B is there 45, but now here D45 is there. Only what changed? Address of cell only changed, and B45 as it is. In the B45 value 500 is there, and that accept automatically. Means mixed cell reference in there only using the both concept, absolute reference also and relative reference also. That is the information about mixed cell reference. Student, cell reference is a very important part in Microsoft Excel, because of these formulas used in many places when we'll do the maximum type of work. That's reason every student page number 15 and page number 16 and 17 and 18, these are the all information available in our textbook. Open the textbook, read carefully, and you do as a practically also in our computer. Okay, that is the information is very important about the cell reference in MS Excel. Thank you very much. Remaining part I will take in the next video. Thank you very much.